Hi, this is Brad from Power Tools. In this video, we're going to cover the process of adding groups and filters to the filter menu. Firstly, log into the filter menu like so, and then press the New Filter Group button. Here you can give your group a title, which is what is also displayed on the storefront. So let's start off with adding some tags. We select tags for tag-based filters, and then we press Create Filter Group. In here, we now enter in our tags. So tag 1, tag 2, and so on. We can also set it to automatically create missing collections, which I'd recommend. And as well, we can use the tag names above as the collection title. If you select that option, it'll also allow you to prefix them. So for example, we could prefix them with tag, so it would be tag-tag 1. You can use this to, if you've already got a set of tags that have prefixes on them. It'll also ask you what type of collection rule you want. For example, you could use the type contains name or the title contains name. Typically though, you'd want to use the product tag equals my tag option. And then we press Add Filters. Okay, let's add a new filter group as well. Let's use collections. So this is going to be a group of your existing collections. We press Create Filter Group, and it will now let us select from a list of our existing collections. I'll just pick some random collections out from the list. As you can see, this store has a lot of collections, but it is still quite quick to add in various filters. And we're done. Okay, let's add a new set of filters for type. So type, we'll give it a name of type. And it's going to ask us to enable auto collections, which is recommended. What this will do is create a collection for each one of your product types. We can also set it to automatically add new types as you add new products, and then optionally to keep the group sorted. I won't enable that for the moment. So we can add the type filters like so. Let's just minimize some of these. And then let's check on the jobs. So as we can see, this has been running all the jobs behind the scenes, and the last job is complete. So if we reload the page, we'll now see we've got all our product types in there. We can repeat the same thing for our brands. So, like so, the same options come up, but this time we're going to keep it sorted because typically you would put your brands A to Z. Okay, and just give it a second. We can reload the page. Oh, a little bit more time. And we've got all our brands added in there, A to Z. We may want to add some price filters, like so. So we'll give it a title of price and select price filters. Press Create Filter Group. And it will prompt us for the price ranges we want to add. So we can press 10, 20, 30, and so on. And then add price filters. Once again, we can check the status of how that's going. Oh, it's done it already. And we can reload the page. And there's our price filters. The last option are our variant filters. Now, these will typically be things like size and color. So let's do it for size. So we'll give it a group title of size. And then here we enter the variant title. So this, in this case, would be size. Note, it's not the values of your sizes, for example, small, medium, and large. It's the variant title that's attached to your product data. So then we press add variant filters like so. Note that these can take a little while, but I've already run through this once behind the scenes, so that these are all kind of set up a little bit. So you may need to give it, a few minutes or more. So there we go, we can see our size filters. All right, they're all the basic types of filters you can add. If you made a mistake, you can delete the group, like so. And this will give you the option to delete the collections that may have been created and also any tags that may have been added to the products in that group. These are really helpful features, but just be aware that they are quite dangerous in that it may delete any pre-existing collections you had that are now in that group, or likewise any pre-existing tags that you may have added to your products would also be deleted. So anyway, I'm going to just delete that group like so, and voila, it's gone. We also recommend you take a backup of your products first before you start adding filters, just in case you make a mistake. That covers the basics of adding filters to your filter menu. Thanks for watching and good luck with your store.